My wife recorded my snoring to prove it. I didn't believe her until I heard it. That's when I discovered Trevalisse, an anti-snoring mouthpiece that actually targets the cause. It gently moves your jaw forward to keep your airway open. Less turbulence, less tissue vibration, no complicated setup, no boiling or molding required. Users report up to 94% snoring reduction, medical grade, BPA-free, adjustable for comfort. Finally, peaceful nights. Visit the official Trevalisse website to transform your sleep tonight.